Hello folks, and welcome to another episode. In this video, I'm showing you how to make the ultimate bacon onion jam. A sweet, smoky, savory spread that levels up anything you put it on, from burgers to breakfast sandwiches to charcuterie boards or just straight off the spoon. So without any other delays, let's get into it here on the Everyday Cookout. Okay, the first thing you're gonna need is 2 pounds of bacon and a very sharp knife. Here's my Cookout chef's knife, link in the description, which is a very sharp knife that does the job. Anything from slicing, dicing, deboning. This is like a all-in-one utility knife. All right, after we get our bacon diced up, we're gonna go ahead and put in about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, or any type of oil that you would like. I use vegetable oil here. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our bacon. We don't need too much oil because, as you know, the bacon will make its own oil. Okay, and we pretty much just want to continue frying this bacon until it gets crispy, light brown, not burnt, but a light brown. I'll go ahead and fast forward a little bit of this here so you can kind of see the process. But this is kind of what you want your bacon to look like, all right? So let me get these bits out of the pan, and there you go. Now we're going to take most of the oil out of the pan, and we're going to go directly in with the 6 pounds of diced onions. Yeah, 6 pounds. I know it seems like a lot, but these will cook down. Just trust me and trust the process. Add your 6 pounds of onions. Use the onions to kind of deglaze the bottom of the pan to get all of that bacon bits and goodness that's stuck to the bottom of your pan there. All right, and this is going to be the longest part of the process because I think the sweet spot is probably about 30 to 45 minutes. It's pretty much is going to depend on your taste. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and add in our bacon. All right, and give it a little stir, kind of incorporate. All right, here we're going to go in with our maple syrup. For the maple syrup, we're going to use a 1/4 cup. All right, now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and this is where we really want to get our deglazing on. Okay. All right. Yes. And now I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I added a 1/4 of a cup at a time. And next we're going to go in with 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Alright, we're going to get that all incorporated. And again, I'm deglazing the pan at the same time. I'm trying to let all of those liquids evaporate so we get a nice, sticky, jammy consistency. Alright, once we have it to this consistency and this color, this is where I actually start to take mine out. Okay, I think this is the sweet spot for me, but again, make this recipe your own and find your own sweet spot in which you'll stop. But as I mentioned, once it looks sort of like this, you're good to go. Alright folks, remember you can add this to just about anything. It's going to boost the flavor of any dish you create. And thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.